We are live Tuesday market and the market is reacting today is not that volatile like yesterday. We already had some stock bumping 100% like CBio, but we give half of it back. Now is around the 47% and 13 million worth of volume. Let me just check which one the top gainer for today volume wise is TRKA. TRKA doing all right, 9% up. We held our support that we discussed yesterday around the 36. Then we got CBio, the second one, with 13 million worth of volume with 48% up. And then we got LHDX jumping down 14%, around the 43 cents. So still hovering above our support. Tesla doing all right, 2%. MULN, ILAG. Yeah, so today we might see a volatility back for many stocks. Let's check ILAG. ILAG is 28% down. AMAM, CBio, TRKA looking really interesting. TRKA still pumping, and still holding. Let's see. Today is the earning. We got our earning, I think is after hours. If we go in the financial for TRKA, we see that the income statement here, we got profit margin. So we got some profit, at least 1%, turning from 91% down for profit margin, now is turning a bit green, 1%. Net income around 1 million, before negative 18 million in the last year. So the first quarter in this year is looking pretty nice compared to the last one. So yeah, we're turning green for TRKA. We're turning green. For balance sheet here, we see something changing as well. For total asset, it's changing from last year 36 million toward now 200 million. So total asset, we have total liabilities getting lower. Yeah, so liability is getting lower. Debt to asset is 93%. So we have a lot of debt. It's really big percentage, not debt to asset. Yeah. So almost everything we own on TRKA is liability. You see what's happened here? So yeah, we have almost 192 million worth of liability, and the total asset is 205. So almost all the stock is have like debt. So yeah, still in big picture looking good actually, because we have turning point in the profit margin, which this is looking really nice. Let me just see what's going on with the markets. Yeah, the market still didn't open yet, so hopefully we have a green pie here and turning point for the market. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. The resurrection will be soon. Which stock are you talking about? Which stock will be resurrected from the depths? Nvidia. Okay, Nvidia, we got rejected around the 238. We're still watching for a potential trade for Tesla as well. Tesla's gapping up almost 2%. Yeah, Meta doing kind of alright. We're still trending in this bearish channel, so Meta still have a struggle to break this bearish channel. AMD, what's going on with AMD? It's kind of like when I get distracted or overwhelmed by the market volatility, I always just take one step back, and see what's going on. So for AMD is still in bearish mode, even though we have a great reversal from the bottom, almost 55%, but still we're not having a confirmation yet. We didn't have a confirmation yet. Last earning looking decent for AMD, for Apple as well, looking good. Starbucks. So the market is correcting now. After the dip, we have a correction. For NEO, on the other hand, is near a huge dip. For NEO is near a huge dip. We got the earning after just 1 day from now. The earning after just 1 day from now. Look for it. I'm looking for a big bump before the market close for today for NEO, because we are near a bottom. We are near a huge bottom for NEO. Pre-market is down 1%. So this is the bottom that we should hold for NEO for today. We should hold and have a reversal like this. This would be great. AMC, yeah, AMC looking great, guys. 3% up. AMC looking great. We have a huge pump yesterday from this flag. As we discussed it in our live streaming yesterday, we said the AMC is about to do something, and already did. See with me what happened. We have a breakout from this flag. This was a great indication for strength, and we have a parabolic price up. Let me just check how much we did from this flag. We did almost 25%. Okay, AMC is pumping in pre-market. We might see a huge pump around the $9. We might see a test for the first few minutes when the market open around the $9 for AMC. This would be a great indication for strength. Will be really great to see this movement. Let me just check. Yeah, looking good. AMC looking good. AMC looking good for a continuation. 5% up now. We have breaking for 803. AMC testing the $8. What's gonna be? Are we gonna have a hold up above the 8 or not? We need to hold above the 8. This would be a good indication for strength and pump toward the 9. If we held above the 8, we're gonna have 10% jump easily. So the 8 is a turning point. We have a turning point here. What's up with AMC with breaking flags? Okay, let me just check. Interesting. Let's see AMC breakout now. Welcome from France. Is it too cold in Alaska? What's the temperature like? Here in France today is below the -2, but in the morning now is almost 7 degrees. I'm talking about degrees. We don't use the American version of calculating the heat. Wow, so it's snowing in New York. Great. TNXP. TNXP bounced from our bottom, the 62 cent. Great bounce. We might see a continuation. Nike looking interesting. DKNG. So AMC looking really good. Let me just put it down. Let's check in MAT before the market open. Many of you asked about MAT. What's the deal with MAT? And pre-market is 3% up, and I don't like the chart. Yeah, kind of double bottom exactly, but still. I don't like the chart anymore. There's many manipulation for this stock. There's a lot of manipulation. Yeah, we visit an important bottom now. However, the chart looking really messy now. Yeah, we got some levels to watch out for. Yeah, so we got some levels to watch out for MAT. We already visited a bottom around the 63. We have a great bounce. Yeah, 8%. Let me just put another alert, because if we broke this support, it's game over. At least now we might see a dropping in price more. So we watch for a test for the 80. If we get rejected once again, price will dive. If we broke the 80, we might see another pump toward the $1.22. And this one, we turn it to green, which will be our profit taken if we hit it. Yeah, we might see a 50% pump for MAT. Looking interesting play, guys. Thank you. Who actually told us about MAT? Who tell us about MAT? Thank you for bringing this up. Yeah, Mike, one of our hunters here. Thank you, Mike, for bringing this up, because I forgot to put alert and update the chart. So there's a potential squeeze for MAT, so I put it in the list. And Nike looking interesting as well. For Nike, look interesting. I will put it with the growth stock list. So what's going on with AMC? Yeah. The $5, guys. The $8, I mean. The $8 will be the squeeze area for today. The $8, we need to close. We need to break and hold the $8. This is it. This is it for AMC. If we're gonna have a squeeze or a sell-off when the market open, boom, down around the 7. So if we don't break the $8 when the market open, just watch out for this dip. We're gonna have a huge dip toward the 7, and here we're gonna have a reversal. Let me just check how much we can do down. Another 10% down. So watch out. This is it. This is it for AMC. Let me just put alert just in case here around the $7.67. We need to break. We need to break when the market open to do at least 10%. I'm watching AMC. I'm watching AMC now. Okay, we got AMC. It's trying to break. MAT, APE, DKNG, and the other one TRKA. Yeah, TRKA looking good. CBio not, AMA no. So we have TRKA, yeah. TRKA and AMC for the open, looking two of them looking really interesting. Let us go here and check if we got other stock on our list. We got 12 minutes before the market open. 12 minutes. Okay, we got one. CDIO. Cardio Diagnostic Holding. Pre-market is 14 million. Pre-market high around the $3. Wow. And now is $1.33. Wow. Pre-market is around the $3.30. Imagine. Yeah, $3.19. We went until the $3.30. So now is 138. We got earnings just 1 day left. There is interesting level here. Breakout maybe. We might see a breakout for today. Yeah, this one is kind of interesting. We might see another pump for it. Maybe around the 4 and maybe around the 5. So let me just bring my levels, put this in green, which is profit taken. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do 2 alerts. One toward the bottom, because here we might see a visit toward the $2.50, and one toward the breakout zone around the $3.35. Yeah. Oh man. $3.36. Perfect. So let us add CDO. This one pharmaceutical stock. Let us put it first because it's the top gainer for today. Let's check the other ones. CBI, okay. This one. Nope. Maybe this one. Let's go in the big picture. Chart look really ugly. KRBP 18%. Not bad, but it's pretty cheap. Yeah, it's pretty cheap. What we got here. What we got. I think we're good. We're good. We have one stock that we should watch and should be the top gainer for today. CDO looking interesting. CDO looking interesting. Wow, so they double in value because we have about to launch a new heart disease blood test. This is just came in. So we have the precision CHD test launches. So the stock is health technology. Okay, so that's why we got some news regarding a new test for the heart disease blood test. Interesting. Anyway, we here to hunt. We don't care much about what stock do. If you want to invest, of course, and hold, this is would be a major news for you. But usually for day trader, the news is good for volatility, but is the most important thing is to get in and get out before we're gonna have price selling off, because it always do. 99% of the time the price will dump down. TRKA still looking interesting, and AMC still okay. For AMC, I'm watching for a huge pump. Let me just put it there on the $8.11. I'm watching AMC for a huge pump from the $8.11. Okay, so we narrowed down our list for today. Just 3 stocks: AMC, TRKA, and CDIO. Just 3 stocks. Just 3 stocks we watching now before the market open. Before the market open, we watching just few stocks. 3 stocks on our watch list. Let's put the watermark for the people who just came in to see clearly what we're trading. Make it easier to see. LHDX. Is it done or there's room to pump? Of course there's room. Yeah, still there's room above this support, the 38, which we're still holding now. The 38 as the last bottom, last result to hold. Okay, CDO is pumping. CDO is pumping over the resistance. Oh man, I don't like it, man. This has always happened, man. Like, we should actually trade before the market open. You see what's happened? like this happened to when the market open, we need to cut this breakout. So now the price will pump and go until the 4, you know. Don't like this. I don't like this reaction. Now it's gonna pump. You see what's happened? Now it's gonna pump. It's gonna test this level, $4.23. Yeah, it's gone, man. It's gone now. Yeah, $3.30. This was clear trade, man. It was clear, easy trade. 15%. CDO now is 185%. Then we have TRKA, AMC, still sleeping. So CDO, the only stock, is pumping now. And it's gonna hit our first profit taking before the market open. The $4.23. It's gonna hit our profit taking now. This is the good pump that I like. You see what's happened? We did 15% without any rejection. No rejections. No whatsoever. No rejection. That's what I like. It's going. Okay, we have 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left for the opening hour. For the opening bell for today market, Tuesday. The main question, are we gonna have a pump for AMC or not? Over the 8. Let's see AMC. Oh man, AMC is going down. AMC is going down a bit. This is normal. TRKA and CDO. Are you ready? The market is about to open. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Press the like button on the way in. We always do live streaming around 3 p.m. CET or 9 a.m. Eastern time. Okay, let's get right to it, guys. CDO is toward the $4.23. CDO toward the $4.23. Okay, let's go. CDO is pumping $4.23. First resistance and first profit taking. Okay, we went until the $4. TRKA rejection. AMC is still holding. AMC is still holding above this AMA. A huge test for AMC. Okay, AMC have a struggle. Yeah, we got rejected around the $8.12. That's why we're going down. Let me just put alert around this support, the $7.08. We should hold above the 7. AMC got rejected around the $8.11. TRKA still holding. TRKA bouncing from this AMA. And CDO, it's getting rejected near the profit taking around the 4. Okay, so we got rejected around the 4. We need to hold it, man. We need to hold above the $3.17 to have a reversal for CDO. So this should be our support now. It's overextended 165. This is normal that we have a pullback. This is the support, watch out. This is the support. We need to have a bounce from the $3.30 at least. If we went down below the $3, below even the $3.09, this means a sell-off toward the $2.50. Watch out. This should be the support and reversal for CDO. It's gonna be a huge pump or dump. Okay, TRKA still fighting. TRKA toward the 47. Let me just check this one. Wow, Meta hit our scan. We have a pump from this bearish channel. Interesting. For Meta, we have a pump. Okay, we're holding the $3.30. As we said, this should be the support for CDO. Okay, we have an interesting test now. Really interesting test. Okay, breakout. No, a fake out. What a wick. Huge rejection here. Yeah, I think we're gonna break now. Wow, someone selling really big time here. $3.84. Yeah, we break. We're gonna have a test now for the $2.50. $2.70, $2.50 should be at the bouncing area for CDO. It's overextended. We have to go back to refuel from down below. We're gonna see this reaction. Let's see 1 minute closing candle below this level. We're still testing here. Let's see a dive down below the tree to have a reversal here. TRKA have a struggle around the 47. AMC bouncing back. Yeah, bouncing back. Okay, AMC is about to break the $8. A great take from this wick. We have a reversal. LHDX is holding the current support. And AMC is about to break our level, the $8.11. Okay, AMC is breaking. Let's see a hold up. We need to have a break toward the 9. Let's see a squeeze for AMC. Squeeze for AMC is pumping. Okay, this one's still holding. Okay, AMC is pumping, guys. AMC is pumping officially. AMC pumping. AMC is pumping. What a volatility for AMC. What a volatility for AMC. 10%. Drawing back now. Now we need to hold above the 8. AMC toward the $9. We have another pump from this flag. It's still holding. AMC is still holding. We have an alert for NGL, but on low volume. This one on low volume. Yeah, 48. LHDX still have a struggle. We might see a break for this support. AMC still holding. Abe is breaking the support, I think. Yeah, TRKA have a struggle toward the 47. CDO looking interesting. CDO looking interesting. We held above the $3.32. We don't have any breaking for this level. We held it perfectly. We have 2 weeks. And the price is held perfectly. Now we have a test for this level, the $3.84. For a continuation, of course. Huge continuation. Wow, AMC have a struggle a bit. Let's see what's gonna happen. CDO. I'm watching for this support. If we broke it this time, game over. At least for now. We're gonna have until this level. But at the time being, we need to hold the $3.30 and breaking the $3.80 in order to have 300% up for today. We'll watch what's gonna happen. AMC is still holding. As we said, the $8. We need to hold the $8. Meta is one of the top gainer on our list here in the blue chip company. The other one have a struggle, Nvidia, and the other one have a bit of struggle to continue to go higher. Tesla as well. So let me just bring something. Yeah, we might see a test for Meta around the 177 as profit taken and a rejection at least. Now it's 2%. We might see another 1%, 70. Yeah, it's really doing all right, Meta. Doing really all right. I don't know what we had. Some news. Yeah, we have a break for this bearish channel for Meta. Looking really interesting. Looking really interesting for Meta. Yeah, Abe, we kind of broke the support now around the $1.93. Oh man, we might see a continuation for the sell-off for Abe. Be careful, guys. His RNQ is breaking the support. It's game over. His RNQ is game over. Abe is kind of game over now. We're gonna have a continuation down. Yeah, we have changing in the technical now. We're gonna have a test first around the $1.66. Wow, we're still holding. CDO have a struggle around the $3.80. A huge short open here, and a huge buying pressure above the $3.30. What's gonna be? A huge selling pressure from above. There's a huge selling pressure from above. Who's gonna win? If we broke, it means we're gonna have a continuation down toward the $2.50, $2.70. Wow, AMC went down. AMC went down. Testing the support. The $8.11, testing the support. Let's see a hold up now. I forgot to drink my holy water. Let me just add some more. Okay, AMC doing all right. We have a bounce back from the 8. As we said, this is the bottom. This is the support that we should reverse from. And now we reverse almost 2%. Let's see a continuation and doing higher highs toward the $8.54. Then continue toward the $8.90. AMC looking good. AMC looking good. On the 5-minute chart, we have a great bounce and break from this flag. So we're doing right. We have a bit of sell-off when the market opened below this flag, but we bought back with this wick and the price actually went higher. TRKA have a struggle around the 47 or the 48 cent. We need to hold above the 36 if we don't want to have a sell-off for today. If we don't hold the 36, we're gonna have a sell-off. Watch out. 36 should be support. 36 and preferably above the gap that we did today, the 40, you know, because if we have a bounce from this AMA around the 39.40 will be a great thing to see for TRK to continue to its bullish momentum. Let me see how much we can do. Another 40%. Now it's just 5% after we clear the 47, of course. 47. C-Bio hit our support once again. Oh man, just kissing our support and went higher again. Yeah, $3.30 is the struggle, is the fight here. This is the fight. The top gainer for today, CDIO. They have some news about a new cardiovascular thing going on with them. Yeah, the heart disease blood test. Yeah, precision CHD test. It's called the precision CHD. So C is for cardio, and H for heart, and D for disease. So this is why CHD. Okay, interesting. Looking interesting. So the stock is good. AMC, oh man, breaking the support once again. I don't like it. We could have actually held and continued toward the 8s. You see, this is sometimes happening, you know. We have a breakout, but a lot of people taking profit, because a lot of people got cut buying AMC at the top. So those kind of breakouts normally in healthy stock that a lot of people don't hold bags, we have a continuation for this breakout. But for AMC is different story. Look at this chart, man. We are trending down since forever. You see here, a lot of people averaging down. Some people got cut here on this tip. You see here, This is bull trap here. This is bull trap, and this is bull trap. So that's why any breakout now, it doesn't hold like a normal stock. After a breakout, this is what happened. We have a fake out and price go down once again. You see this huge wick? Man, this is not healthy. This is not healthy breakout. I don't like it. Really, I don't like it. As we said, if normal stock, not a lot of people holding bags, we could have actually went to the 9 easily in just a few seconds. But we had a struggle. The price held around the $8.47, got rejected, boom, went down once again. But the good thing is we're still above this ascending channel here. So this will confirm if we have a fake out or we gonna have another continuation and toward the 9. So this is it now. If we broke this level, it's mean game over. It's mean the short, not even the short, but people who hold them back just exited with this level, you know. Some people just hit kind of breaking even, so they got out. So now if we hold here, is mean good. If we hold this level, is mean good. There's a potential revisit and going higher once again. So it's not game over yet. So now, you know what I'm gonna do? I put alert, so if the price drop down, we'll be notified. If we watch another stock, yeah, the market on fire. I know this peep sound is like fire. It's funny, some of you said that. Okay, $7.67. Okay, now we're gonna have a reversal maybe. Let's see. Let's see another reversal. Retake for the $8. Of course, AMC got earnings, guys. Got earning today. After hours, I think. TRKA is still holding. TRKA is still holding the gap that we did today. CDO is still holding $3.30. There's something is cooking. There's something is cooking with this stock, man. See this accumulation. Wow. So there's something is cooking. I'm watching this one for another pump toward the 5. Because we tested the 4 and we got rejected. So we might see the 5. Yeah, and today we went from the 1 to the 2 and the 3 and 4. Imagine, guys. We started with the $1.85 gap around the $1.85 in the pre-market, and it went until the 4. So we already did 200%. We not doubled the price, but even tripled. Okay, AMC going back to the 8 once again. Wow. Someone buying, someone is still buying AMC. We have balance between the short and the calls. We have kind of balance right now. Not like for AMC, but for TRKA and CDO as well. That's why we have a hold up right now for the market. and tight support and tight resistance. You see here, this is the support and this is the resistance. The price is tight. TRKA is a bit far. We got shorted below the 48, and I think we're gonna go toward the 36 now. I'm gonna fill the gap. Yeah, we're gonna fill the gap now. Yeah, the price is tested here, 44. We might see a test for the gap now around this AMA. AMC have a struggle as well. Not good reaction, I know. Not good reaction to pump then have a sell-off like this. Patience is a key, guys. Still watching CDIO for break for the $3.84 around the $4. We got rejected when the market opened. However, we're still holding above the $3.32, which is our support. Yeah, the still shorting. Short seller still shorting. Something about to happen. Something about to happen for CDDIO. We're gonna have a break from above and continuation for the $5 or a sell-off down. Decisive moment. What's gonna be? I'm telling you, man, this game is almost get me every time. Sometimes I want to rush the trade, you know? I want to the stock actually pump right now. I don't want to wait. But this is the trick. The trick, let the stock do whatever it wants to do. You can actually tell the stock to do anything. So the only thing that we can control is our patience and our strategy. And of course, our trap. But it's about to happen. $162 now. 42 worth of volume. Price is kind of squeezing down inside this flag. We have a pump. Price tested the resistance, went down, held, pump, down, up and down, up and down, and now down. Yeah. Now it's sold off. Yeah, sold off. We broke our flag. Yeah, we broke our flag. I told you guys, there's something about to happen. And that's what happened. We got shorted. But you know what's... I'm not sad. I'm not angry. Either way, the price will go eventually in this box. So we don't have to be angry. There's always a chance. There's always opportunity. So yeah, the price will go up a bit. Will trap some people. Then go down around this little box, $2.70, $2.50, where we're gonna have a genuine buying pressure, price reversal, boom, and going higher once again. Let me just check how much we can do from this bottom. Yeah, another 20%, not bad. Let's see. We need a continuation down now. So let me just put alert down below this level. TRKA is still holding and AMC is still holding. Exactly, Sunray, $1.28. I will check it at the moment. $1.49 for BBY. We went until the $1.40. Yeah, we're gonna have a huge dip. Alright, we're gonna have a huge dip. Yeah, right. Let me just put it around the $1.30. $1.40. We got some resistance to test today around this level. If we get rejected, we're gonna continue to go down. $1.77. As we said before, the $2.11 is the most important level to break. But for today, we have to test the $1.70. If we get this level, got rejected, is mean continuation down. Let's see how much we can do from here. Another 17%, or with the 2% will be almost 18%, 19% toward the $1.77. Now it's just 2% up. So even if you saw 22 or 20% or 18% for BBY, don't jump in. This is not a squeeze. This is called bull trap. And here's the trap around the $1.77. Because if we don't clear it, price will continue to go down. MAT is still sleeping. Abe is still holding the current support. Yeah. We have bought back above the $1.90. So it's still holding above this tight support. Yeah, see with me, we have a huge wick. Nvidia still holding, Tesla still holding. Meta is going toward our first profit taken. Meta looking interesting. Wow, we have a huge pump from this bearish channel. So yeah, we got a great bounce for Meta. Great bounce. 2% here. Yeah, it was really great bounce. Okay, even though with this amount of selling pressure, we're already up 150% for this stock. Okay, but I don't like this reaction now. This 5-minute candle, if it closed below this level, is mean a sell-off. We got 1 minute and 20 seconds. 1 minute and 20 seconds for this 5-minute candle to close. If we close below this level, we're gonna have a huge selling pressure toward the $2.70, $2.50. Because we broke this flag. You see what's happened? We said there's something is cooking, something about to happen, and this happened. You see, huge red candle. AMC is still holding. AMC, there's a potential for AMC. There's a potential to continue toward the 9. The light of heaven just came. The light of heaven came to help us trading. Let's see the top gainer for today. Volume wise, we got CDO is number 1. Then we got AMC, volume really good for today, 25. Tesla, almost at the top on this list in volume is Tesla, but today is the 3rd. BVS, 73% up. Interesting. Wow, huge pump for this one. Huge pump. There's something really interesting with this play. It's called BVS. 4 hour. Now it's still pumping, and there's a potential for revisit the $2 because now is up 73%. We might see a pullback now. Yeah, a pullback. $3 for the squeeze. $3 for the squeeze. Not now. Let me just put another alert around this bottom. Interesting. Neo is struggling. Neo is struggling. We might see a huge dip for Neo in the coming days. Mira doing all right. We got rejected. You see what's happened? Near the 177. Top loser for today, we got CFRX. You remember this one? We hunted the last few days. We broke the $4.80. That's why we didn't suggest to hold this kind of stocks. We got IPDN. Let me just check if we have some stock that we traded before. Yeah, this one looking really dangerous. You see what's happened? The price actually jumped, gapped almost 60%. If you held it, you're gonna lose all the profit that you made and with interest. So that's why we suggest never holding those kind of stocks. Those stocks is dangerous. Look at this one, 25% down. Wow. Really scary, you know? But scary if we don't have money management and if we don't have strategy. Yeah, it would be scary. Okay, AMC looking really good. Looking really good now. We held, now we bounce once again. What's gonna be this time? Are we gonna have a continuation for AMC toward the $9? The $9 is the next target. Joseph, FTI. Good news. Okay, let us check this one for Joseph. Let's check this one and see if we have a potential trade. 1 million, the volume not bad. The technical, not bad, not bad. But is a bit expensive for us. Let me just check. FTI. Let's go in a big picture. Looking really interesting. Yeah, it's going toward the 17, all right. It's going toward the 17, another 10%. We might see the 20 coming days. Good news, and the technical is still doing all right. Technical is still hyper bullish after the bearish year that we had 2 years ago. Yeah, it was really bearish. Found bottom around this area you see here. We accumulated around the 4 and the $10. After that we broke the 10 and we enter a huge bullish run. Okay, so this one, yeah, thank you, Joseph. Looking really interesting. Technically wise, and you said there's good news, so that's why it's pumping. So the support should hold for coming days is the 1426, and the resistance or profit taking, if we already entered around 1735, profit taking around the 20, the next one. Yeah, looking good. AMC looking good as well. AMC is about to pump once again. This time we might hold above the 8. Yeah, this one I think is game over. It's gonna have a huge dive down, huge dip. AMC on the other hand, we need to hold the 8011 would be a really good. Okay, let's see a hold up above the 8 to go toward the $8.90. AMC, there's a potential continuation for AMC toward this level, the $8.80 at least. Let's see another pump. And this one is dive down, of course. Huge dip down. Okay, CDO is going back down. It went below the $3, so this one could have a really nice reversal here. $2.70, $2.50 should be a reversal zone for this stock. Let's see a dive. We need a dive back down around this level. And this is our current resistance around the $3.30. Yes, LHDX finally going up. As we said, this should be the bottom, 42.70. That's why we're going up. The squeeze should be the 59. The squeeze should be the 59. We might see a huge squeeze for this one. Yesterday we did the huge pump, almost 400%. Are we gonna have this reaction today? Another 60%? This is plausible. This is it. If we held, as we said, the 42, is it? To confirm another pump. You see what happened yesterday? A huge pump from the 10 cent until the 80 cent almost. And now there's potential for another pump. We already put alert around this resistance, the 59, which is the current resistance, and the current support is the 42. On the other hand, AMC is looking good. AMC looking good for another pump. We already did almost 10%. Let's see a hold up for this level of support for a continuation up. Yeah, Mike, I know about LHDX will be delisted. However, even if this news is right, we could actually trade it and get out with profit, never holding it overnight. This is the most important key. AMC is preparing for another move. AMC preparing for another move. We need to hold this support. This is it. This is it. We need a continuation now. A huge pump here. The volume dropping a bit for AMC after this pump. So someone bought a really big position here, almost 128,000 worth of AMC shares. Then the price dropped. We need another 100. We need another 100K to give us this price movement toward the 9. The volume is dropping. You see what's happening here? Price is dropping. LHDX will be delisted in a few days and it's still pumping now. 8%. Still pumping. Getting near the squeeze area, the 59. Remember guys, even if the stock is about to be delisted, there's a potential for making money. But the idea is to buy and never hold. Buy and sell in few minutes, few seconds, whatever. So there's always a way to make money if you have a strategy. If you don't have a strategy, you're going to lose money. Of course, if you just buy and hold, you're going to lose money on those kind of stock that be listed in just the next day. Some bad news, the price will get cut in half down. So know when you buy or averaging down and which stock. You have to know exactly which stock you're going to buy and hold. Not every stock you should hold or invest in the future, or even averaging down, or even holding for tomorrow. So you have to have a strategic strategy and never break it, because I lost a lot of money doing just right that, just buying stock. I don't know anything about them and hold them and wishing for the price go up for the next day. This is a recipe for disaster and losing a lot of money. 9%. Doing okay. LHDX is about to test the 59. Now it's 55. Another flag. Okay. Let's see what's gonna happen. We have market pullback now. Sorry for taking some time to update BBY chart. We got some people asking for a chart update for BBY. We already did yesterday one because we got many requests from you guys about the new updated reversal area and resistance for BBY. So that's why we did the idea yesterday here for BBY. Mira's going down, Tesla going down, Nvidia's going down. We have market pullback. Market pullback. Yeah, everything is pulling back now. Yeah, it's not great bounce, guys. For AMC, it's not a great bounce. I have to admit it. It's not a great bounce after all. We have a bounce from the 8s, price going up, then going down. The volume dropped heavily. As we said, a lot of people triggered profit taking around this area. The $8.50. Yeah, AMC testing the $8. We just test. $8.04 for AMC. Would be good if we held above the $8. Never have a 5-minute closing candle below it, preferably. We don't want to have a sign of weakness. Yeah, right. We have a bit of buying pressure now. That's what we want to see. Buying pressure. Okay, selling pressure. Not good, brother. Not good. This 5-minute is really decisive. This 5-minute is really decisive. Let's check if we could actually see another stock that have potential to pump. Yeah. This one's going down toward the 2. Still going down. We might see a bounce toward the $2.20. Another pull trap. We're gonna see a huge bump, then dump. Watch out. Yeah, I think not good here. 5 minutes is about to close. 5 minutes is about to close. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 minutes closed. We close red. This is really weak. First sign of weakness. Should have held above the 8, man. Not looking good for AMC fans. It's not looking good. We're still holding this level, but it's better to held above the 8. Now we close below the 8. There's high chance if we broke this ascending channel, we're gonna have the $7. $7.10, $7.08 be tested. Lucid hit our scan. What's going on? We have a pump for Lucid. We have a pump. Really? Really? We're gonna have a pump from here? Are you sure? Are you sure? Looking really interesting. Let's check the volume together. Yeah, 4 million. We might see a pump for Lucid now. We might see a pump until this $9. Looking interesting, Lucid. Lucid hit our scan, guys. We might see a pump for Lucid. Watch out. Oh man, we might see a rejection here, but yeah, around the 9. I don't like this level of resistance around the 9. And yeah, we might see a test here for the $9.29. Let's see. If we held this level, it'd be good. Potential pump. Let us put it on the list. BVS toward the $2.20. Yeah, we're getting rejected. This area is testing area still, around the 9. If we break it, we might see a really good pump. 2% and 6%, not like I thought. Yeah, man. I understand there's a lot of manipulation in the market right now. Bull traps, we got reverse split, and the people holding the stock that have continuation to drop down after the reverse split. The cycle is going down and down and down. We have to learn, we have to learn. We know when we did something wrong, our strategy, or felt FOMO and bought at the wrong place. The idea is to get out quickly and admit that you're wrong and get out. But usually in human nature, we don't want to admit, Usually we want to be right every time. And this is not good to learn. It's not good to to be better trader. If you want to be a better trader, you have to think like the opposite, what the other people think. If you think like the other people, you're gonna lose money. This is the hard reality. It's really hard to think outside the box or think differently, Like when you see price jumping, don't buy, but you have to sell. Or when you see the price dumping, you buy instead you sell. This is kind of counterintuitive. Okay, sometimes, the price will go down. You should short with the short seller. But sometimes it's really good to buy this dip because there's a reversal. But you have to know the difference between the buying the right dip or the wrong dip. Because if you try to catch the falling knife, oh man, this is would be like hard lesson to learn from this kind of mistake. Yeah, a really hard lesson to buy an average down on some stock that continue to go down. This is a really bad scenario. You don't want to be stuck in this kind of scenario. AMC still holding above this level. This ascending channel still holding it tightly. TRKA is still holding the gap that we did today, and we're still holding above our MA. CDO is still holding above this box. MAT, we gave back a bit of gain. BBY, continue to go down, guys, toward the $1.30. Yeah, man, TRKA is being boring. This is the market for you guys. Sometimes is have high action and there is interesting things going on, and sometimes is slow and boring. So this is the trick. But when the market is boring and not moving, we have to build traps for the other stocks that is still stagnating. So we don't have to watch them. We just have alerts set up for them. And if they hit our alert, we go back to them. It means the volume is picking up. Let's say for TRK, now it's sleeping, yeah? So we don't have to watch it every second. We could actually just make some tea and relax a bit and don't have to watch the chart every time. So we have to put just alert around the 46 to confirm a volume picking up, and another alert to confirm if we have a sell-off around the 37. Not the sell-off, but a warning sign that we visiting an important support around the 36. So we don't have to watch the market 24 hours. We just put our alert and leave. For CDO as well, we have two alerts. One around the $3.34, which is confirmed that the market is reacting and will squeeze for the stock. And the other alert around the $2.70, which is a reversal on buying the bottom and potential reversal for the stock to go higher once again. You see here? Boom. So we have a trap from above for a bullish momentum, and we have alert from below for a reversal and confirmation for a price shift from down below. For AMC, the same reaction. We have alerts around this level, let's say, and again around the $8.05. We broke now this ascending channel. So we might see a continuation toward this bottom around the $7.26. So now AMC will go down. We have a fake out. This is now is a fake out. So we're gonna have a continuation down toward this level, the $7.08. So I already put my alert as well, so I don't have to watch AMC to do their thing, like going up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. I don't have to waste time to watch. And BVS already set up a trap for it and let it here around this area. Let me just put it here. And Lucid already bought my trap around the $9 for potential pump and support around the $8.79. Great. So we don't have to watch out every second. For BBY, $1.30 support and resistant $1.77. NAT, ABE, DKNG. So yeah, we have to set everything up for the market and be ready. For NVIDIA as well, we have the support and the resistance. Tesla, we have the support and the resistance. Meta as well. We have both levels from above and down. So the price will never go anywhere. For AMD, let me just check every stock that we have on the list before we do some cup of tea. We have to drink some tea and dark chocolate. Yeah, this is one of my routine to take green tea and a piece of dark chocolate. Oh man, this is like heaven, man. After trading, drink some tea and dark chocolate. It's kind of balance my stress level, you know. So for AMD, I'll put the level here. Exactly. And sometimes I put some jazz music, you know. And of course, after that, I put like a journal my day and a journal my trade. So I have some routine after my trading session. After we finish our live streaming, I have some time for myself to do a good routine, not the bad routine. Sometimes I have like this bad routine, go on YouTube or what have you, go social media and scroll like this. So I question myself, why I'm doing this? Yeah, because I have a stress from the market. I want to release the stress by scrolling on social media. But I said, okay, I have monkey brains. I can control it. I do it automatically. So I sat down one day on last Sunday and okay, what I'm doing wrong and what I'm doing right. Okay, I'm doing right this. What I'm doing wrong, okay, I do this wrong because I have a habit doing it and now it's automatic. So how to solve that is by replacing bad habit by the good habit. So if you want to replace bad habit by the good habit, you have to be vigilant about what you do daily. So you have to write down everything you do by the minute. So that's what I changed from just scrolling on social media, and switch it by drinking tea and eating dark chocolate and read some piece of book like I really like to read. At the same time, journal my trade and journal my day, like what I did today, what I feel, what I'm trying to do. So this is kind of make my brain working. At the same time, I'm not like a monkey brain, like doing stuff without thinking, and never have like there's no improvement, there is no growth by doing like scrolling like this. There is no benefit. So I'm trying to use every waking hour by learning something or doing something useful, like healthy eating or doing sports or meditating or stretching or reading a book, like something to add value to myself. So let us put another alert for AMD. Okay, perfect. Starbucks, okay, it's good. Apple is good. Starbucks maybe it's here. For Google, Neo, okay, it's good. It's good. So yeah, I always put alert. So when I leave, I will never miss any trade. So you see this one is going back up to test the $3.34. There's a potential rejection now. I will never get trapped by this trade. We might see a rejection here. CDO, we have a try to break the $3.34 after we broke this flag. You see what's happened here? We broke this flag. This was a warning sign for a weakness. Price dropped down, and now we have a test. Whoa, what's going on? Whoa, is that for real? Okay, we have a continuation or not? Okay, now is a rejection. Oh man, now we have a continuation, not a rejection. This is really madness. We're gonna hold, if we hold now is good, above the $3.34. Okay, the market is pulling up now. The market is pulling back up. Not for AMC, not for AMC. AMC is going down. It's going down to test the $7.30 and the $7.08. Okay, Lucid is going back up. Lucid, we might see a squeeze now. Lucid, on the move. We might see a breakout for Lucid now. The $9. Then the $9.29 and the $9.60. Yeah, we had a huge dip down, of course. Huge dip down. The 11, man, the 11.19 is the squeeze. But now we have to break the 9. And this one looking really interesting. Thank you, brother. Slow-mo Joe. Yeah, TRKA is waking up. TRKA is waking up. Yeah, TRKA is waking up. But it's not yet, you know. It's not there yet. Huge test now, huge test, and we might see a rejection. Of course, guys, so we have a bit of slow day for today. However, one of the stock that gaining back momentum now is CDIO. We might do a chart analysis for it. If we broke the $3.80 for a potential profit taking, we're gonna update the chart, of course, on our Discord and Patreon. Of course, we always do chart analysis. We already added the swing trade channel now because we got many of you asking if we add some swing trade. What does mean swing trade is mean not day trade. You hold the stock for a few days. So we already did the swing trade chart for today. And for this one, we might do update if we broke the $3.80. For AMC as well, we're going to update the chart for a potential entry and exit, and potential as well break and squeeze for Lucid. So stay tuned for those updates on our Discord and Patreon. Tomorrow, the same the time for our live streaming, we're going to do it around 3 p.m. CET. And of course, we're going to do pre-market update for the market before the market open on our Patreon and Discord. And if you have any question, please just send me an email toward tradingjesus.contact@gmail.com. Perfect. Okay, now it's time for a cup of green tea and dark chocolate. Okay, as it said, put your alert, never run after the price, let the price come to you. And this is really important. Don't feel FOMO. There's always opportunity in the market. If you lose one opportunity, there's another opportunity waiting in a corner. If you just be patient and let the price come to you. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in the next live streaming.